Hey guys, it's HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hoping you're having a great day so far. We're on our way to check out a pretty unique property for a client. Sits on a half-acre corner lot that backs right to open desert. Has dual RV garages, a pool. Hang out with us and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, right here at 3867 Comet Drive. It's a super unique home. Sits on a huge half-acre lot that backs right to open desert. Has dual RV detached garages plus your regular 3-car garage. Great neighborhood, right at the edge of town. So everybody likes to be on the edge of the desert. They just don't come up very often. So hopefully this one will still be around by the time I get this video uploaded today in a couple hours. It's got a little breezeway. Tons of parking up here. Let's go look at the other side real quick. So it's got this like water feature or something not running. Pretty cool though. So you can see this one backs to the open desert at the end of this little cul-de-sac, and it does have a trail going out into the desert. So you can just take your Razor or whatever, your dirt bikes, and just head out in the open desert right off the back here. Tons of RV side parking over here as well. Here's your 3-car garage. Looks like there needs a little stucco work here, as it is stucco to grade, so it gets deteriorated from water over time. A walkway over to the pool area. All right, let's go check out the inside. So the property line's right here where the pole is, but obviously since it's backed right to the open desert, you can get away with kind of utilizing some of this space like they have. I put a little fire pit and sitting area. They even made some side parking over here and graveled it. They have a nice paver walkway patio set up in the front here. So you have this nice entry with a huge, heavy iron door. This is like a atrium type. I'm not really sure, but there's a little water fountain, a little space with irrigation, a plant, a couple skylights, so you could turn into kind of like a little atrium or something. Double doors to the interior. All right, so this is a 3-bedroom, 4-bath, built in 91, 3,026 square feet. It's got a split floor plan, open living, rear kitchen, tall ceilings. It's got a nice gas fireplace. Got a little wet bar. The kitchen has granite counters, stainless appliances, gas range, dual ovens, little desk nook. Also has a tiny little like pantry, guest pantry type setup. All right, so this is a split floor plan. Got a nice closet, little hallway. You have a guest bath, basically behind the kitchen. So you got your master suite, has its own gas fireplace, travertine tile floors, little slider out to the pool area. So it's got a nice master bath, dual vanities, Lots of light. Walk-in shower with glass doors. It's got a nice jetted tub. Nice walk-in closet at the rear. Lots of light. All right, let's go check out the other bedrooms. All right, you have the other two bedrooms on this side of the house. So this is bedroom number 2, basically at the front of the house. It's pretty big, actually. Pretty good size. So the way that this is set up is there's a Jack and Jill bathroom between the other two bathrooms that share this bathroom. So basically you can turn into 2 master suites or whatever. It would make a pretty good vacation rental. Got another jetted tub, walk-in tiled shower, dual vanities again. So this just takes us to bedroom number 3. It's not as big, it has a skylight, standard closet. Probably use a paint job. All right, so we're back out in the hall. Let's go check out the garage and the pool area. All right, so you have garage access down this hall where the laundry room is. Big laundry room, utility sink. And this is also bathroom number 4. Has a walk-in tiled shower as well. And access to the pool area. So you got your man door out to the 3-car garage. So the 3-car garage is 28 feet deep. It's got 8-foot doors. Central vacs out here. I did notice the whole house is on a sprinkler system, fire sprinkler system. It's got epoxy floors. Some built-in cabinets where your breakers are. Got your soft water, your RO, hot water, little utility sink, access to the pool area. All right, let's go check out the pool area. All right, so we're out the rear slider off the kitchen. Big patio area. Little bar at the window here, all granite. Got another slider out to the pool area. Looks like it's got a nice PebbleTech pool. We'll go and check out these detached garages in a minute here. Pool has pop-up cleaners. Looks like it's in pretty good condition. Spa looks like it's in good condition. It's got nice built-in outdoor kitchen, barbecue area. Looks like a fire pit possibly, I would imagine. Open desert behind you. Got all your pool equipment and heater. The cool deck is starting to chip a little bit, so it'll probably need to be repainted at some point. Little water feature. Got your little breezeway between the garage and the house. Let's go check out the garage. All right, so this is the door from the rear of the garage off the pool area into these detached RV garages. Got epoxy floors. You have a 35-foot bay on this side. Both have 12.6-foot high doors. Looks like you got dual 50-amp hookups. Floor is probably going to need to be redone. The epoxy's coming up. It's got a pull-through rear door. A little loft up here we'll go check out. They got this nice little loft up here. Can't exactly stand up. It's about 5.5 feet up here. So it does have mini split AC units installed. This side again is 70 feet deep with the pull-through door. Another 50 amp. They have some electrical running in here. I'm not really sure what it's for. There's another panel here with some electrical as well. Looks like it was set up as a shop because there's air coming out of a bunch of different places that you can plug into. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Comet. Hopefully it'll still be around by the time this video hits YouTube and Facebook. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'll put all my contact information right below this video. I'll also put a direct link to the listing detail page so you can get the current price. And if it says active, it's active. And if it says pending, it means it's went under contract. But anyways, you guys have a great day and I'll talk to you soon.